Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Motorola Edge 30. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Now you need to click on Open. And from this screen here, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the Nokia. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Motorola and send on Nokia. From here you need to tap on common, all of those dots and select send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer it later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe that one. Choose send and tap on got it. Over here you need to choose no thanks and close this window on the Motorola. And now we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing a way using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here. We have a lot of time to do it and select receive to connect our smartphones. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!